Alright guys, here we are at Dollar General.
There's a box of Shreks. Doesn't look like they opened it.
Awesome.
We got a bag of... Yep, they opened that one. All them orange juice is wasted. Look, they got ants all over them. I know.
Oh look, there's all those cracker things back there.
Yeah, but we ain't gonna be able to reach them, I don't think. That trash dump. That's kind of ants. What is this? I don't know if we'll be able to reach those crackers back there. Oh yeah, the extendable.
Hey guys, here we are at another Dollar General.
Oh, there's Promise. Here, hold the grabber.
Okay.
And I'm going to use this to push the lid back. There's bleach in there.
Is it?
I see it and I smell it.
You gotta turn it, make it
I
tight.
know. I thought I did, but I guess I turned the wrong way.
There you go. Let me come around to the side.
Yeah, I gotta get around the bar. Yep, see, look. They dumped them all out. That's why I can smell it. Look, directly down right there. Yep. They dumped it all out.
Oh, I see the bleach. Dang. That's puddled up. There's quite a bit.
Yep.
Yeah, they got pecan. Oh my gosh. They got those frozen.
There's candy right there.
No, that's not candy. That's those ice pops.
Oh.
Those are salvageable.
Yeah, let me see if I can grab them.
Think you might need this?
No, it won't. Sorry.
Megan.
I had to get a good grip on it. Yeah, those can be refroze. Open those.
What were those? Hold on,
Pringles.
Zoom in a little bit.
They are.
Hold on, where you at?
Sorry, my hand hurts.
Oh, okay.
But there's healthy energy sparkling drinks. I'm afraid.
Is there a lot in there?
There's a few more right here. Alright. Got it. Yep. Let's take the bar. At least this one I can get up underneath.
Right.
Some of them I can't.
What in the world is that?
Some of them are too thin.
Oh, another ice
Thing.
cream.
They're Kool-Aid popsicles. Look, it's got bleach all over it. That's lovely. Green tea?
Heck yeah.
Oh, sorry. There's a bunch of books in here.
Look at that, guys. Arizona green tea.
I wonder
Bam.
why they would open up the chips and ruin them, but not the drinks.
Why would they put bleach in here?
This one I'm going to have to pull out so I can see better.
We'll back it up.
I can't see too good. Yep, I thought there was some in here.
Oh my god, that's cute.
I thought that's what I was seeing, but I wasn't sure.
Hey guys, here we are at our next stop. Ooh. Oh, yeah, I think that's... They fixed their sewer lines.
Mm-mm.
We're not fucking with this one.
No, that's sewage. You know,
Yes, look what we got here, guys. It's raining and thundering out. Oh, wow. What's down? There's a tote in there. Huh.
I didn't think about us getting that camera wet.
I would be careful.
You don't think it's gonna mess it up? The
No.
microphone's getting wet.
It's got that plushy thing on it.
Yeah, but I don't want to tear it up. We might need to use the phone.
Oh. What is this?
Are you coming?
Yeah, I'm trying to clear up because there's...
Just start looking because it's getting wet. I don't want to be out
A
here.
fool's gold kit is right here.
The what?
A fool's gold kit.
Oh.
What's in here? What's that purple thing?
That's what I was about to get. It's a bottle.
Oh, how cute.
And it's got the, it's a, so you can track your water intake.
Yeah.
I'm not worried about that getting wet.
Yeah. After this, we'll start.
I don't want that microphone to be like, you know.
Hey,
like,
there's something back there and it's open in the package. Can you
where?
reach straight back there?
I'm gonna come around to that side. This is a bag of butter and a
Oh,
lemonade.
it's all but.
Yep, it's all tore up.
What's that lemonade?
The lemonade should be all right. It's covered in butter.
Mm. July 25th.
It's covered in butter though.
Oh,
Oh well.
it's still good.
Got butter all over in there.
Wow.
But that flour is gonna be ruined though.
Does that bacon look slimy or does it look alright? Because we cook it up and feed it to the dogs. It's looking a little slimy.
Yeah. It's colored. What do you think about this? Got a hole in it.
Paper. That's a case of sparkling waters.
Yeah. Let me see that look.
You broke one open?
Yep, well, I poked one of them. I heard it when it went.
Yeah.
Got all over my foot.
Is that a bag of
That's what I was trying to get at.
drinks and stuff?
I'm not sure. Pop-Tarts, I see that.
Oh.
Here, can you grab that? It's kind of heavy. Got it. That bag ain't doing no justice.
Oh my god, they're all in there.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Coffee.
Look at all
Yeah.
that.
So that's a grab bag.
Heck
That's a bag of
yeah.
coffee. Look.
Oh my god. Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Maxwell's. Wow.
Alright. I see a bath mat. See it?
Yeah. Jeez, this one's got so much
Oh,
stuff.
there's a bunch of them.
Oh my goodness.
There's a bunch of them.
Alright guys, there's a lot of stuff in here, but it's raining. And we don't want to get our camera too wet. So we're going to grab what we can and then we'll show you what we get at the end.